Hello YouTube friends, how are you? I will hope you will fine today. I informed to you about COVID-19 in Pakistan. It's fourth wave seen COVID-19 in Pakistan. It has six type of COVID. First British, second Indian, third South African, fourth Brazilian, sixth B1, fifth B1, sixth wild type. Six type of COVID-19 is seen in Pakistan. It fourth wave. It is fourth wave. So please take care away from public places and must clean hand 20 seconds. Be safe, wear mask, save your families and save your loved people. Thank you. Please careful about COVID-19. It's big wave, fourth wave, sixth type COVID in seen Pakistan. So please be safe, save your family, save your loved people. Thanks a lot.